Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll practice an English conversation at the post office. You'll learn how to send a package, ask about prices, buy stamps, and even handle small problems. Let's get started. Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
I'd like to send this package to Canada.
Of course. Could you please place it on the scale?
Sure. Here it is.
All right, it weighs about 2 kilograms. Do you want standard delivery or express?
What's the difference?
Standard delivery takes around 10 to 12 business days. Express delivery takes 3 to 4 business days, but it costs more.
How much is standard?
Standard is $15 and express is $40.
I'll go with standard, please.
Great. Do you want to add insurance for the package?
What does insurance cover?
If your package is lost or damaged, you'll be compensated up to $100.
Sounds good. Yes, I'd like insurance.
Perfect. Could you fill out this customs form with the recipient's address and your phone number?
Okay. Here you go.
Thank you. What's inside the package?
Just clothes and some small gifts.
All right. Do you need a tracking number?
Yes, please. That would be helpful.
No problem. You'll find the tracking number on your receipt. By the way, do you need any stamps today?
Yes, I'd like 10 international stamps and 5 local stamps.
Here they are. Anything else for you?
Actually, do you sell envelopes here?
Yes, we have regular envelopes and padded envelopes.
I'll take 2 padded envelopes, please.
Oh, I just noticed. The address is missing the postal code.
Oh, really? Let me check. Here it is. H3Z 2Y7.
Perfect. Thank you. That's important for international delivery. All right, the total comes to $25.
Can I pay by card?
Of course, please insert your card here.
Done.
Great. Here's your receipt, your stamps, and your tracking number.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for your help.
My pleasure. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye. I'd like to send this package. Do you offer express delivery? How much does it cost? Could you fill out this form? Can I buy some stamps, please? What's the postal code? And that's it. Today, you learned how to communicate at the post office. These phrases are super useful if you ever need to mail a package or buy stamps in English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more everyday English conversations. See you next time.